What is God mode? It is basically a master shortcut to almost every setting available in Windows, especially those usually buried deep in menus like Control Panel, Settings, or Administrative Tools. God mode puts over 200 settings in a single folder organized by category. It lets you quickly access things like administrative tools, backup and restore, device manager, disk management, file explorer settings, network and sharing center, power options, user account, and so forth. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable God mode and how to disable it. So let me show you how. To enable God mode, we will need to create a folder on the desktop. So head over to your desktop, right click on the desktop, go to new, choose folder. Now you will need to paste a specific string, which I already copied. So I'm going to paste it there. Now this exact string is in the description box below if you need to do this. Now when you paste that, click anywhere on the desktop. Now you will notice here that that folder has changed to control panel icon, which is now the God mode. I'm going to double click on it. Now when it opens, here you would find all the hidden features, which are the settings in your window. To quickly access a particular setting, go to the search box at the right top, click there and paste what you want to get access to. Here I have device manager. Now you can see the icon of device manager. I'm going to double click on that so you can see clearly. Now this is device manager dialog box appears. So here you can actually go ahead and make your settings. So I will close this and close my God mode window. So it's important to note here that God mode doesn't add new features. It just organizes existing settings in one view. It's safe to use, but you should know what each setting does before changing it. Now this is for advanced window users and not for beginners. Now that you have known how to enable God mode, let me show you how to disable it. To disable God mode, what you should do is go over the icon, right click on it, go to delete, and that's it. If this video helped you, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.